Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Replit to your GitHub repository or account. So you want to make sure that you have your repository ready for your GitHub account. So let's just navigate through our GitHub. And from here, you then want to make sure that you then create a new repository in order to go ahead and connect our project with that specific repository. Now, after creating your repository, you just want to navigate through your Replit project. In my case, I have it ready right here. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to click on the plus icon, search for Git, and then you want to tap on the tools right here. Right after that, you will see this error message. So just click on the settings view, and then you want to connect your account to GitHub. So just click on the connect to GitHub button. Click on install and authorize, and from there you then want to enter your code. Right after that, it will then take you to this page on which you then want to choose between all repositories or only select repositories. Now, if you want the Replit to have a specific access to only a specific repository, you then want to choose the second option. But if you want Replit to have full access of all of your repository, you then want to choose the first one. Now, as I've mentioned previously, you then want to choose the repository that you have made right here. And basically right after that, just click on save. After clicking on save, you will be able to simply connect them together and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.